Hello students, today we will solve exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1 is based on the condition when the lengths of four sides and a diagonals are given. It means in this exercise, length of four sides will given and length of one diagonal will given, and we will make a quadrilateral. Student, as we know, for making a quadrilateral we required 5 measurements. What is the meaning of measurements? As we know, in a quadrilateral there are 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. So there are 4 plus 4 plus 2, it means 8 measurements. So out of these 8 measurements, for making a unique quadrilateral we required at least 5 measurements. So as you can see in this first question, AB, BC, CD, AD and AC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 measurements are given. So with the help of these 5 measurements we can construct a unique quadrilateral. Let's see how we can construct a unique quadrilateral. So student, before constructing, first we will make a rough diagram. Okay, first we will make a rough diagram. Here we have to make a quadrilateral ABCD. First we labeled this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Please, at the time of labeling you have to use continuation form. A, then B, then C, then D. Okay. Here the length of AB is given 4.5 centimeter. Let's mark AB equals to 4.5 centimeter. BC equals to 5.5 centimeter. CD equals to 4 centimeter and AD equals to 6 centimeter. And AC it means diagonal, is given here 7 centimeter. So with the help of these 5 measurements, now we will make quadrilateral ABCD. Student, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, in that case first we will make diagonal. It means for this quadrilateral first we will make this diagonal AC, which is equals to 7 centimeter. AC equals to 7 centimeter. Let's draw a line segment AC which is equals to 7 centimeter. AC 7 centimeter. Student, as we have to make here quadrilateral ABCD, A is here, C is here, so obviously B and D will be the opposite sides of this AC. So let's suppose that B will in the upward direction and D will be in the downward direction. Now we will find this point B. A to B. Here the length of AB is given here 4.5 centimeter. So now with center A we will make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Let's measure with the help of scale 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so with this center A we will make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Now C is given here and BC is also given here. So with center C now we will make another arc of 5.5 centimeter. 5.5. So with center C now we will make another arc which intersect the previous arc at one point, and that point will be your point B. Okay, so we get point B. Similarly, now we will find point D with center A and C. Let's see. AD. What is the length of AD here? 6 centimeter. So with the help of the scale we will make an arc of 6 centimeter with center A, and we will make arc now the downward direction of this AC, because this D point will come in the opposite of this B. Now CD, the length of CD is given here 4 centimeter. Now we will make another arc of 4 centimeter. So with center C, we will make another arc. As you can see, this arc is intersecting the previous arc at point D. So A, B, C, D. Now we will join this line segments. First we will join this AB, then AC, then we will join this AD, and then CD. So we get the quadrilateral ABCD. Now we will write the measurements of each sides. AB is equals to 4.5 centimeter. BC equals to 5.5 centimeter. AD equals to 6 centimeter and CD equals to 4 centimeter. So with the help of this given 5 measurements, we make a unique quadrilateral ABCD. So student, remember, first we will make a rough diagram. It helps to draw this diagram. Okay. Similarly, we will solve another questions. Second question you have to solve your by own. Similarly, you have to solve according to question number 1. Question number 3 is, now you have to draw a parallelogram MORE in which OR equals to 6 centimeter, RE equals to 4.5 centimeter and EO equals to 7.5 centimeter. So parallelogram, as we know how, yes, this one is a rough diagram of parallelogram. Label this MORE. Then write the measurements. OR equals to 6 centimeter, RE equals to 4.5 centimeter and EO. Join this diagonal EO, which is equals to 7.5 centimeter. Now one question will be coming in your mind, student. As we know, we required 5 measurements, at least 5 measurements to draw a unique quadrilateral, and here only 3 measurements are given. So now we will apply the property of parallelogram here. As we know, in a quadrilateral, opposite sides are equal. So since here the length of OR is 6 centimeter, so opposite to this, length of this side EM will also equals to 6 centimeter, and the length of this side RE equals to 4.5 centimeter. So opposite to this 4.5, it means MO will also equals to 4.5 centimeter. So we will use here property of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Now we are having 5 measurements, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, we will make the parallelogram MORE. For that, first we will make a line segment. First we will make diagonal, and then length of diagonal is given here 7.5 centimeter. So 7.5. EO equals to 7.5 centimeter. EO. Student, the MORE is your parallelogram. So O is here. So M will come in the upward, MOR will come in the downward, E. Okay. So let's start. M will come upward, R will come in the, yes, MO. What is the length of MO? 4.5 centimeter. So with center O, now we will make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Then length of EM is your 6 centimeter. So with center E, now we will make another arc of 6 centimeter which intersect the previous arc at point M. Okay, next step, now we have to find MOR. Length of RO, what is given here? 6 centimeter. Once again we will make an arc of 6 centimeter with center O in the downward of this EO. It will come in the opposite of this M. Then ER is also your 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. So with center E, cut another arc of 4.5 centimeter. You can extend the previous arc of 6 centimeter, so they will intersect each other at point R. Okay, now we will join the line segments. First we will join this EM, next MO, then OR and ER. Then we will write the measurements of each sides. EO equals to 7.5 centimeter, EM equals to 6 centimeter, opposite to this EM, RO will also equals to 6 centimeter, MO equals to 4.5 centimeter, opposite to this MO your ER, which is also 4.5 centimeter. So as you can see, this one is MOR is a parallelogram. Student, after every construction you have to write the steps also. As you are making your parallelogram ABCD, in same steps you have to write all the steps. In question number 4, we have to construct a rhombus BEST in which BE equals to 4.5 centimeter and ET equals to 6 centimeter. So first we will make a rhombus, rough diagram of rhombus. As we know, in rhombus all sides are equal, so we will try to make according to the definition of rhombus BEST. BE equals to 4.5 centimeter and ET is means diagonal is your 6 centimeter. Student, as we know, in a rhombus all sides are equal, so one side is given here 4.5, so all sides of this quadrilateral will equals to 4.5 centimeter. Now one diagonal is also given here, so we are having 1 2 3 4 5 measurements. So with the help of these 5 measurements we can easily construct a rhombus BEST. First we will make this diagonal ED and then we will cut different arcs and we will get rhombus. Try to solve by your own, student.